Hello all, this is Sanoob here. So today we are at the Car Shoppe Kochi in Kerala, and here today we are having a Nissan Magnite XE base version car, and this is the most beautiful affordable car at rupees 6.6 lakhs on-road price. And in the base model, Nissan actually doesn't want many of the customers to take the base model, so they have purposefully created a lot of pain points. So one of the most distractive pain point is that in the base model there is no provision to lock the boot using the central locking remote control. Okay, so in this base model car there is only a switch near the hazard light. People might have noticed the switch, but it doesn't have any LED indication, so we don't know whether the boot or the dicky is open or closed. And today we are presenting a new device. Okay, this is an IC, this is an integrated circuit, okay, which solves the problem of closing the boot using the central locking remote control, and you can just lock the boot using the button here in the central locking system. So we can install this in the base model version of Nissan Magnite XE, and we can solve the pain point easily when Nissan doesn't know this. So it doesn't cause any warranty issues or anything. This is very easy to install plug and play device, and that pain point of not knowing whether the dicky is closed or open is solved by this. So when you lock the car, automatically the boot is locked, and when you open the car, automatically the boot is opened. In this car we have installed unplugged infotainment system. The best feature of this infotainment system is that it has got front and back recording. So it has got two cameras, one at the front and also at the back. So those who are having difficulty in parking, for them it is of a great use. And also simultaneously you can see both the cameras, the front and back, in the screen. And also while taking the reverse, you can see both the screen. Also you can zoom whichever screens you have to see, whether the rear or the front. For some people it is useful as they have difficulty in parking the car. And also another feature of this infotainment system is that it has got good equalizers, where you can just touch and set the music points based on your interest. You can adjust the bass, treble, etc. And the display is also very great display, and it has got 1 year replacement warranty. Now let's see how this boot lock works. So now it is locked. I'm unlocking in my remote control and it is open. It's very convenient, and now I'm locking it. It's locked.